Then, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and run your own AI on your computer. And for that, we need to install Ollama in our operating system. And Ollama is a lightweight AI framework that lets you run and manage AI models on your machine. So go to the Ollama website and download Ollama into your computer. Install it, then open the terminal and type Ollama to verify that it's running correctly. Then head back to Ollama website and click on models. You will see a list of models available for download. Keep in mind the number of parameters each model has is indicated by a number followed by the letter B. Example 7B, 14B, 32B. This means more parameters, smarter the model, but require more computer power. Fewer parameters, lighter model, but they tend to make more mistakes. Choose a model that fits your computer capabilities. I'm going to download DeepSeek with 1.5 billion parameters. This model has relatively low requirements, so most PCs should be able to run it. To get the model, simply copy and paste this command into your terminal. Let Ollama handle the download, and when it's done, you'll be able to interact with the model just like ChatGPT or other AI provider. To use the model again, make sure Ollama is running, open your terminal and type Ollama list, and this will show all installed models. To launch it, enter Ollama run and the model's name, and you will set to interact with your AI anytime. But what happens if you try to run a model with more parameters than your PC can handle? Well, we have longer loading times and slower interaction. The response will lag and make the experience less smooth. If this happened to your computer, consider using a smaller model for a better performance. Now that we can run models on our PC, the next step is to improve how we can interact with them. Right now, we only have access through the terminal, but what if you want a better UI or an app? Luckily, Ollama includes a built-in server, making it easy to connect models to an application. All we need is a backend to act as a bridge between the AI model and our app. So, we're going to set up a simple Node.js backend to connect with our AI model. Open your code editor, create a new folder with your project name, open the terminal inside the folder and run npm init-y. This will generate a package.json to set up all dependencies of the project. Next, we need to install the necessary dependency. In the terminal, run npm install express, course, and .env. I'm also going to install Node.js so our server updates automatically whenever we make changes in the code. And then we update the package.json file to make running the server easier. Open it and find the script section and add these two lines. Then at the top, add a tag and set it to model.js so we can run modern JavaScript syntax. And then create a new file called index.js, and inside this file, we're going to import express, initialize express in a variable, create a variable for the port with the value 3000, also create a variable for the Ollama model URL. In this case, will be localhost 11434. That is the default port that Ollama uses. Then we need to tell Express to parse JSON requests, and we're going to use the add-to-use-express.json. And define a new route with the name chat and make it a scene, and inside this route, add a try-catch block. Then we get the message and model from the request body, and we're going to add a simple validation with an if statement. If no message sent, we're going to return an error 400 message is required. And then we do a fetch request with a method post to the Ollama URL /API/generate and pass the prompt and model and set a string to false. Next, let's add a quick error check to keep things smooth. After that, we'll send the response back in JSON, and inside the catch block, we'll add a console log to print out any errors, and we'll be sending back a 500 error message. Then we'll tell Express to start running with add.listen. And finally, head to your terminal and type npm run dev. Your server should be live now. Here comes the big moment. Let's test our server using Thunder Client or Postman. We need to send a prompt and wait to see if the server is communicating with the model. Finger crossed. And that's how you can run your own AI in your PC. Just remember, select a model that your computer can handle, and keep in mind that the small model might make mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media if you want to learn more about tips and tricks on how to develop your own AI application.